Good morning, everybody. I'm at Palmetto State Park in Louisiana, and just pulled in, and here's the van and the motorcycle setup. And so I thought this was really interesting, so it was worth a stop before I pull into the park. They have this really big alligator just waiting for you, and it's huge. So there's the entrance into the park over there, and I don't know, I think this is pretty cool. So looking forward to seeing everything on this park. Maybe I'll get bit. Ooh. All right, so let's see what we can see today. So welcome to my vacation. Good morning, everyone. I'm at Palmetto State Park, where I did a little bit of camping last night. Brought my motorcycle today and my drone, and I have to say this state park is really beautiful. You know, most of the state parks are, and this one's a little different. I mean, as you can see, all the palmettos everywhere, and you can't see in the shade right there, but special guest star Max is sitting there. He sat there snoring with me all night, and this place looks like a real Louisiana swamp area, and they have a lot of good facilities too. I took this RV lot last night, which is lot number 69, and it comes with a picnic table, and we put our chairs out here, and it's got a hookup and everything. And it was $31, I think. So anyway, just a quick little view. There's hiking trails and some water park here and everything, and pretty awesome. We did a Chico State Park like 2 weeks ago, and that one was good, and this one may be a little bit better. So hope you like some of the drone, and just the scenery here is pretty amazing. All right, I just wanted to show some of the amenities here. So by our spot, there's Comfort Station 1. And what'd you just do?
The bathroom ranks about an 8 on my shitometer. It's clean, it's nice, everything's stocked.
So he gives it about an 8. There's trash here. There's several washer and dryers up in there. It's really nice. It's actually got a chair and everything with a porch, so I guess you can hang out while your friends or significant others take showers and stuff up there if you're up for that. Me, on the other hand, I brought my little portable shower, and yesterday morning I kind of got naked in the woods and just did it. Just why buy it if you're not going to use it, even though I have the facilities here. So that's my thinking on things. We wanted to check out the cabins, and we are in shock at how awesome these cabins are. So the cabins are $150 a day, so you know, it's kind of pricey if you have a budget. So look, this is cabin 5. We are so shocked by this because it looks like they have fireplaces. They're huge. So you have air conditioning units, fireplaces. You get a view of the lake. You get a porch. You know, we're not going to go inside of them, but look at this. You know, the lake's right there, so, you know, this is a family trip right here. Like, look at this porch. Sit out here at night.
It even has leather couches.
Oh, so he's looking through. Okay, so I'll take a look through.
Leather couches and TVs with flat screen TV.
Leather couch, flat screen TV. I am coming back here next year. So we're gonna try to do a family trip.
Mm-hmm.
This is it, man. So sometimes you find a gem that you had no idea about. I mean, look how cool. So you walk out here. You're right in front of the lake. So this, look, see, as you can see, it's got a chimney. You bring some firewood, have a fire, go fishing on the lake.
Screen porch.
Yeah, screen porch. All right, so this is some good information. So this is Palmetto State Park. Wow. Okay, so that's freaking awesome. We keep talking about how awesome those those cabins were, but really close to the cabins, they have this. I'm going to clean the lens off really quick, but wow, that's pretty. Look, here's the Spanish moss. This is really pretty out here. I'm coming up on the aquatic pavilion, and as you can see, it says please don't feed the alligators, but check this out. This is like a Louisiana camp, like sort of stuff that we grew up with. Oh look, water fountains, a nice deck. making a little pit stop at this lake right over here. What do you think, Max?
I think it's probably more of like a clean piece of the swamp versus a lake.
Yeah, so, all right, I got my eclair, my chocolate milk.
I got coffee and cigarettes.
Coffee and cigarettes. Oh, just a little side note. We stopped at a gas station right outside of Palmetto State Park. What was the name of the station? Do you remember?
C&J something or other.
C&J Supplies. He bought a pack of cigarettes and it was $10.14.
15 cents.
$10.15 for a pack of cigarettes.
Best
Shame
cigarettes I
on
ever
you.
had.
Shame on you. Oh, look, it's a lake.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, it's a pond. It's
Evangeline Pond.
It's Evangeline Pond. Yeah, check it out. Oh yeah. So this is pretty cool. So I guess we're gonna eat our stuff over here because they've set up. Wow, this is really nice. Barbecue pits. This is where we should have come last night. So look. So you have little barbecue pits and picnic tables. All right. So we're gonna hit the scratch off tickets right now.
Here's your quarter. You scratch off first.
All right. Okay, so let's get to the winning numbers. So we're just gonna do mine because Max is shy.
Yeah, I'm real shy.
So I got my lucky number 31 on there. So it's 4, 31, 1, 5, 34, 37.
See, the reason he doesn't want to do mine is because I'm a superstitious guy and I have to scratch these things off naked to win.
Do you? 33, which is not one of my numbers, 18, 38, 9, 14, 17, 36, 10, 15, 39, 20, 27, 6, 11, 30, and 25. Looks like I've got a loser. All right, so, oh wait, I should clean this lens. Oh my goodness. Oh, that kind of did it. So I'm just going to turn it off from here. If I win the 100,000 off of his 200,000, I will be happy, I guess. But this is Palmetto State Park. You can see all the palmettos everywhere. Can you hear the bugs? Full of cicadas and wildlife. Really nice. You win anything, Max?
Not looking good.
Well, it's just 20 bucks. It's less than 2 packs of cigarettes.
They're good cigarettes, though.
Yeah, you have some nasty cigarettes. Okay, cigarettes and coffee. All right, breakfast time. Nope, not a winner. Peace out.